Hello, in this video we will explore common jobs and professions. Doctor. Doctor. The doctor examined the patient. Teachers. Teacher. The teacher explained the lesson. Engineer. Engineer. The engineer designed a new bridge. Nurse. Nurse. The nurse took care of the sick children. Lawyer. Lawyer. The lawyer defended her client in court. Police officer. Police officer. The police officer arrested the thief. Firefighter. Firefighter. The firefighter rescued the cat from the tree. Chef. Chef. The chef prepared a delicious meal. Waiter. Waitress. The waiter served our food quickly. Scientist. Scientist. The scientist conducted an important experiment. Pilot. Pilot. The pilot flew the airplane smoothly. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. The flight attendant helped passengers with their seats. Dentist. Dentist. The dentist cleaned my teeth. Pharmacist. Pharmacist. The pharmacist filled the prescription. Accountant. Accountant. The accountant prepared the financial reports. Architect. Architect. The architect designed the new building. Electrician. Electrician. The electrician fixed the broken lights. Plumber. Plumber. The plumber repaired the leaking pipe. Mechanic. Mechanic. The mechanic fixed my car. Construction worker. Construction worker. The construction worker built the new house. Journalist. Journalist. The journalist wrote an article about the event. Photographer. Photographer. The photographer took beautiful pictures at the wedding. Artist. Artist. The artist painted an stunning landscape. Musician. Musician. The musician played the piano beautifully. Actor. Actress. The actress performed brilliantly in the movie. Writer, writer. The writer published a new novel. Farmer, farmer. The farmer harvested the crops. Vet, vet. The vet treated the sick dog. Librarian, librarian. The librarian organized the books. Receptionist, receptionist. The receptionist greeted visitors warmly. Salesperson, salesperson. The salesperson helped me find the right product. Real estate agent, real estate agent. The real estate agent showed us several houses. Software developer, software developer. The software developer created a new app. IT specialist, IT specialist. The IT specialist solved the network issue. Banker, banker. The banker advised us on a loan. Driver, driver. The driver took us to the airport. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.